I've been feeling the need for something light and simple that I can carry a couple of drones in and protect them well, whether I'm wearing it on my back or carrying it as a handle. And I really couldn't find anything at any price. So eventually I came up with a really cheap bag off eBay. This was the main thing it's got is a big zip that I can get at. Went to a place that sells foam rubber and got them to cut some pieces to fit inside, about 5 pieces, and did it myself. So I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So if this is of any use to anybody else, this is one way to go about it. So this is what I've got in the bag. Here's the unpacking, so to speak. Get around this way. So the main thing is I've got a full-size zip here. So I can flick it back, and what you see inside is a plain layer of foam. The next layer, it'll take a couple of bugs 3s, or in this case bugs 3 and bug 6. So I can pull them out. And this is cut out made of from 2 pieces of foam. So I've got a thin bit on the bottom and a thicker bit on top that I've cut it out of. And this shows the thickness of the stuff. And in the bottom part, I've got another piece of foam with another bit glued on the bottom, where I've got my goggles, controllers, that sort of thing. So overall, wasn't particularly expensive, but I can throw this on the back or just carry it as a carry bag, and yeah, not worry about any damage to the drones. So I think it's been a good, cost-effective way to solve the problem.